Very challenging back and forth market to trade. I think our strategies did pretty good, mitigating losses on a day like today. Minus 175 for live trading in the 250K portfolio, minus 285 in the 50K portfolio. Tick Fader had a different trade result, so that skewed the difference between the micros and the minis. And up on the week, so good week overall, mainly from yesterday's trade. Today was just a lot of back and forth, very confusing. Seasick type trading, not sure where the market's going to go next. And so we had retail sales and the market reversed. And we'll go over the trades in the market as well. But these are the results today for Friday, last trading day of the week, April the 14th, 2023. So what's extremely notable is this range-bound trade. The market just loves to remain in this range. Right here, the NASDAQ is in this range, and we thought it would go higher today. It did not. It had about a 300-point move off the lows here, and so maybe that move will continue next week. And you know, it seems like the market should go down, but when we're in an environment like this where the market just won't go down, it always reverses on sell-offs, and VIX keeps dropping. It's very hard to short. And so you eventually anticipate a breakout. This is a very long sideways channel, and it's good to be up on the month in this type of price action. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was Easter, so it's not a full session. 6, or that's a Good Friday actually. 7, 8, 9, 10. I guess 10. Looks like 10 trading days as of April the 14th. And just very narrow monthly range so far. Very low VIX, diving down to 17, almost to 16. The low is 1707. It closed to the low. And let's go over the price action and the actual trading system signals on the day. Let's start out with the NASDAQ. There were only 4 strategies that traded. Tick count trend did good. Viper didn't trade today. It made an equity peak yesterday. Tick count trend hit a short, stopped out on the last short. You can see how the market on a 1-minute chart, it's more granular. You can see the turning points. It rallies and then reverses on some news. There's some economic news that reversed, and then it came in here and reversed again. Looked like it would go up here, reversed again, and then rallied. And so just a kind of a divergent chop, but just an unusual pattern. And tricky to trade, but tick count trend did well. Cobra 3 was stopped out shorting down here. Thought the market could retest the lows on the week at this point, but then it reversed, and so it just won't go down. Tick reversal got short. Looked like the market was going to go lower. Made a double bottom, rallied. Momentum reversal strategy of the week, I guess. Had this short trade, had this long trade. And so some nice trades on momentum reversal this week. 3 for 3 on momentum reversal NASDAQ. It's that kind of market. Plus 2015 today. And EVP1 had a really nice long trade going. I thought the market was off to the races at the open. It gapped down, ran up here. You know, and we thought that it might, you know, possibly close at 13,500 today. You know, based on this 100-point move really quickly this early, another 250 points would not have been out of the question, but those 250 points were based on reversal points instead of trend continuation points. And so EVP1 stopped out on that trade. EVP1's done well since the end of February. Let's look at the S&P. Our chopper strategies did well. Our new strategies did well in this market environment today. Help us mitigate the losses. Plus 437.50 on open chop 1 short trade. At first I thought the market was off to the races, and I was disappointed more of our strategies didn't get long at the open, and I thought the choppers were really going to do poorly today. But the market quickly changes from what you think it's going to do, and those opening strategies like EVP1 that had the long at the open was stopped out, while the chop strategies, this one was short and it looked like it was going to get blown out. Market quickly reversed, went long here, exited right there, up on the day, 437.50, ugly but profitable. Chopper, this chopper was ugly as well, got short, It got long here, ugly but profitable, and then tick chop. Got short. First one was stopped out, got right back in. It went down here, hit its profit target. Was done for the day. It was profitable as well, plus 550. And tick count trend turnaround dynamic. Got short, reversed along. It was profitable as well. These strategies did well, trading an ugly market. Tick wave got long up here, market reversed. This just looks like a pattern that's about to accelerate lower. The way it's just this kind of this straight line at the lows, it accelerates and then it gets scooped up and propped up. And so I continue to see, I anticipate seeing more and more of this. And so I'm just following price right now, not concerned about the fundamentals. But I do see higher prices in this market based on the way it's trading. This stealth bullish price action is about as stealth as it gets and as slow as it gets, but I still anticipate higher prices. Tick count trend, tried to go long here, stopped out. Momentum reversal ES did well. Not as good as the NASDAQ, but it did well, capturing that long trade, plus 412.50. Tick fader, seen several tick fader trades. Have perfect turnaround points on the short side, and so could anticipate a bigger profit target here, potentially on tick fader. Cobra 3 was profitable yesterday, headed for profits today. Market reversed, minus 400. Cobra CT3, one of our favorite long-term strategies, lost on the long side. So these are some of our classic strategies we've had for a long time. Cobra 3 lost on the short side. Cobra CT3 lost on the long side. And our newer strategies that just take advantage of chaos trading were profitable, the chopper strategy. So looking at more chopper strategies, looking at more chaos type strategies for the NASDAQ as well. We may be in this market environment for a while. So once again, we were down on the day, but pretty small loss considering the type of market environment in. And then this tick fader. Let me show you the tick fader trade on talk about the tick fader trade on the micro. The micro missed this tick fader trade and then took a long trade down here that was stopped out. And so that's why there's a difference. Once again, those are the trades on the day for Friday, April the 14th, 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.